Oh, you like that, huh?
I like that trailer. Where's the trailer?
Do what?
Where's the trailer?
I don't know.
Oh, the trailer.
What's he looking for?
The trailer.
Oh,
What'd you do with it?
you have to look for it. Yeah. Woo. You did. Did you see the headlights go on?
The battery's going.
Ah. Oh. Oh. Oh.
That was the lion.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good on my foot.
What you got on your foot?
My sticker.
Oh, a sticker. Can you get it off?
No.
No.
Yeah, there's no one.
We got to reach down there and take it off. Oh.
Come over to Grandma. Grandma, take the stickers off. They'll take it off. Oh, yeah. There. There is. I didn't see it already. Grandma got it.
Come and get my sticker.
Oh, it did, huh? You didn't have your sneakers on? No. That's too bad, huh? Wow. You're going to be a comedian like your Uncle Phil, like your Uncle Clint?
Oh,
No?
I was on the motorcycle.
Oh, that's your motorcycle too, huh?
I'm too small.
You're too small?
Yeah,
Oh, well.
it's big.
Maybe get a bigger one for Christmas, huh? You think so? You want a bigger motorcycle?
Careful, don't break it.
Do what?
Tell him, be careful, don't break it.
Yeah, you don't want to break that little motorcycle.
I picked them.
You think you want to give it to Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then. Hey, I'll talk to you later, okay?